Assalamualaikum friends, this is Afia Aiman. Today my topic is how to use A and N. Okay, let's go to the topic. A means 80 and N means also 80. So how we will use A and N and where we will use A and N? Okay, let's learn the topic. There are 26 alphabet, 5 vowel and rest of 21 consonant. A is used before consonant, N is used before vowel. Okay, let's get to some example. The first example is a book is on the table. The book spelling is B-O-O-K and the first letter is consonant, so I used A here. I don't use N. Okay, let's go to another example. A pencil is on the chair. The pencil spelling is P-E-N-C-I-L and the first letter is consonant, so I use A here. I don't use N. Okay guys, are you understand? N is used before vowel A, E, I, O and U. Okay, I go to some example. An apple is on the chair. The apple spelling is A-P-P-L-E and the first letter is vowel, so I use N here. I don't use A here. I go to another example. An egg is on the chair. The egg spelling is E-D-D, egg. The first letter is vowel, so I use N here. I don't use A here. Okay, little friends, now my video is over.